USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, okay? Subscribe, like and share, that's your job. Below the video, you'll find many links. Check out the first one saying get my intraday swing setups and go and join the monthly membership if you want to get signals every day. Join the brokers and join my free telegram as well, okay? So do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. We're going for this. We are going for this, okay? We're going for this. The price is going to go for this, okay? We are in the strong uptrend. Price is going to take down this high, right? So you can maybe draw the line slightly below here, you see? We are going for this high in weekly. That could take maybe 4 weeks, okay? Coming back to daily time frame, we are in the uptrend, as you can see. New highs created, pullback, and will go up. I think that's it. Pullback has happened. Coming back to 4-hour. I think this move might be over. The confirmation will come if this twin eye breaks, okay? So if the price bullish candle closes above this black line which I have drawn, that's your bullish entry, okay? So if you want precise entry exit, then you can go and check out my first link below. Join the monthly membership in USDJPY. Keep looking for longs after the pullback. I told you weekly where it's gonna go, okay?